What's up guys, it's Andy. Welcome back to another episode on Painfully Honest Advice. In this video, I'm gonna go ahead, break it down, share with you guys how to make money with Gemini. This is gonna be a beginner's guide in regards to Gemini and how you can make $100 or more with Gemini every single day. Personally, I love this app, especially if you're a new beginner in cryptocurrency. I used to trade with Coinbase. Coinbase is probably the biggest competitor for Gemini, but I'll share with you guys why I decided to go ahead and transfer over all my assets from Coinbase to Gemini and how you can earn a lot of money with Gemini and with some of the features that they have recently just introduced. Now, a little backstory around Gemini and going into a little bit of history with Gemini. Gemini is owned by the Winklevoss twins, with Cameron and Tyler being the two owners of Gemini. They decided to go ahead and create their own platform, have a secure platform for any new investors to go ahead and invest with and make it very easy for new investors to get into trading in cryptocurrencies. Now, I do personally really like Gemini, and their co-founders, guys, own 1% of all the Bitcoin that's out there. Tyler and Cameron have 1% of all the Bitcoin. So I do believe that with them backing this platform up, there's a lot of security behind the scenes here. And they are the only trading platform that you can actually go ahead and earn interest on in all 50 states. In a lot of states, you actually cannot earn interest on your cryptocurrency, including New York State. And they're the first ones that have actually rolled out earning interest in New York State, which is a huge deal. Plus, guys, with Gemini, their platform is so easy to use. They are one of the easiest platforms for any beginner to go ahead and get started with. You do have to have KYC information with Gemini. Basically, that in the banking industry is known as Know Your Customer Information. So they will ask you for that, but you can actually get an account set up in less than 5 minutes and start buying your cryptocurrency with them. Additionally, Gemini is looking to go ahead and offer a credit card where you can get 3% cash back as a form of Bitcoin. So they're gonna be releasing that out soon. There is a wait list that you can go ahead and get on with them, and I'll put a link down in the description. Now let's go ahead. I'm gonna actually show you guys my portfolio, and we're gonna go ahead and jump into the actual platform, and I wanna show you guys how easy it is to go ahead and invest and how you can go about making $100 a day with Gemini with two different features. So if we go ahead and jump into my portfolio with Gemini and I log into Gemini, I currently have rolled over about 80% of my portfolio over to Gemini, and that's because of some of the features that I'm going to share with you guys. But guys, this is basically the main screen when you're on Gemini. You can actually see what your portfolio is sitting at. Currently, the portfolio is sitting at about 243,000 here. Now, you can also see all the different market cryptocurrencies that are out there, and you can see the price. Now, as I'm recording this video, the price is around 40,800 for Bitcoin. By the time I go ahead and publish this video, the price may fluctuate, maybe down a lot, maybe up a lot. But with Gemini, you can actually have a watch list as well, where if you want to go ahead and watch certain cryptocurrencies, you can go ahead and add them to your watch list. You can have the top movers. Basically, these are the cryptocurrencies that are moving the most, and the top traded. Along with that, the recently launched, these are the most recently launched cryptocurrencies. Dogecoin is one of the cryptocurrencies that Gemini recently just launched, and you can actually earn interest in Dogecoin, but we'll get into that in a minute. And then you can see the different DeFi projects that Gemini also has. Now, a couple things in regards to this. The first way that you can actually go ahead and earn $100 a day is by dollar cost averaging. Now, in regards to my portfolio, I do go ahead and focus on dollar cost averaging. I like to go ahead and invest every single day a certain amount of money in cryptocurrency, and that's one way that you can easily go ahead and earn $100 a day, because as you go ahead and dollar cost average, and just to back up here, dollar cost averaging is basically investing a certain amount of money every single day or every single week. And as cryptocurrency goes ahead and grows, you are making money. So I started the portfolio when I started this around $10,000, and every single day I have been buying into Bitcoin and some of these other cryptocurrencies. But the point of dollar cost averaging is, at the same time, because this is a very speculative asset class, it keeps me very accountable. And when the market is fluctuating or going up or down a lot, I don't have paper hands and I'm not selling out because I can go ahead and buy on those days at a lower price and just keep on dollar cost averaging. And at the end of the day, as the cryptocurrency industry grows, I'm making more and more money. Now, in regards to just looking at this portfolio in the last day, as we can tell here, the portfolio was sitting at $231,000 just a couple hours ago. And now the portfolio is sitting at $245,000. Now, I'm making a lot more than that every single day in this portfolio, but at the same time, you can actually make at least $100 a day when you go ahead and just get started, as long as you're focused on dollar cost averaging. Now, there'll be a lot of swings in the cryptocurrency industry, and yes, in the short term, we don't know what's going to happen. The market can go down even more. That's why just staying disciplined with dollar cost averaging will help the overall returns. And eventually, as the portfolio grows, you can go ahead and grow your investment long term. So in regards to my portfolio, some of the cryptocurrencies that I actually have in here is going to be, I have Dogecoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, and Bitcoin. Now here is the other very nice feature that I really do like, and that's going to be the earn feature with Gemini. Like I mentioned, Gemini is the only cryptocurrency that you can earn interest on in every single state. And with Gemini, you can actually earn up to 7.40% interest. This is another way that you can easily make $100 a day. Currently, guys, in my portfolio, I've made in interest $930, and this is very recent. I actually went ahead and transferred over all my assets from Coinbase to Gemini as soon as I heard about this earn feature. At the same time, while my cryptocurrencies are growing over time, I'm earning interest. So my money or my cryptocurrency is not just sitting there. Now, if we look at some of the different interest rates that you can go ahead and get, on Bitcoin, you're getting about 2.05% interest. On Ethereum, you're getting about 3.05% interest. On Dogecoin, you're getting interest. Unlike Robinhood, you're getting about 2.25% interest. And additionally, with Chainlink, you're earning 4.08% interest. Now, additionally, some of the higher interest cryptocurrencies that you can go ahead and earn about 7.4% interest is going to be Day or Die, if I'm saying that correctly, and along with that with Filecoin. Now, I've looked at both of these, but I haven't started an investment in these, but you're earning about 7% or over 7% interest. That's not bad interest at all. And additionally, guys, these are some of the other cryptocurrencies that you can earn interest on. With Litecoin, you can earn 4.5% interest. With Bitcoin Cash, you can earn 4.29% interest. So there's a lot of different cryptocurrencies that you can invest with Gemini to go ahead and start earning interest. Now, my rule of thumb around all of this is that only invest in the cryptocurrencies that you've done your homework around. This is not financial advice. This is purely my financial opinion around the cryptocurrencies that I truly believe in, that I believe have some utility value, or that have the potential to basically go ahead and grow over time. These are the ones that I like to go ahead and focus on with Gemini, and I'm bullish on all four of these cryptocurrencies that I have with my portfolio with Gemini. So at the end of the day, I'm earning money, and I have the potential to earn over $100 a day just in my overall growth in my portfolio, as long as I focus on dollar cost averaging. And secondly, with the earn feature where I'm earning interest on my cryptocurrencies, I have a potential to go ahead and grow a lot more money as this portfolio builds over time and as the cryptocurrency goes ahead and grows in price. So guys, these are going to be some of the main features in regards to Gemini. As far as just trading with Gemini, it's extremely simple. If you're just looking at market, you can go ahead and look at the different investments out here. Let's say I want to go ahead and buy Bitcoin. I just click on Bitcoin. I go ahead and push the buy button. How often? If I just want to do it once, how much? And let's say I want to just go ahead and buy 10 bucks right now. I can go ahead and buy 10 bucks. It'll tell me how much Bitcoin I'll get, and then I just press review order, and I just go ahead and confirm my order. And at that point, that's how easy it is to actually go ahead and start investing with Gemini. So this is basically a beginner's guide for anybody that's looking to go ahead and start investing. I would personally go ahead and recommend Gemini over any other platform. Now, I will say, guys, if you are interested in Gemini, I will leave a link down in the description below where you do get $10 when you go ahead and sign up with them. Use it if you like. Otherwise, you can go on Gemini.com and basically go ahead and get started. But these two features that I mentioned is basically, in my opinion, the best way to go ahead and start investing in Bitcoin or investing in other cryptocurrencies So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you found it useful. If you like videos like this, guys, around finance, around business, around the stock market or crypto, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button. I'll see you guys at the next one.